Okay. One.
Around, okay? Okay. I will go this way because
Ano, rarandi kami?
Hirapan na namin sila?
yeah.
Kayakin namin sila?
Esme, run. Esme, open your eyes.
Kayakin namin sila.
Already na ba? Ready?
Ready, Laisha?
Are you ready?
Yeah.
Daddy will start moving. Ready, set, go! Where's your daddy?
Ito Joey na!
No more. Mabilis lang kasi. Go!
Pagod na sila! Mahaba na X! Come on! Come on!
Ay, napagdaan pa. Nagkamay.
How many eggs you got?
Oh, who won? Who won? Who won? Ah, winner si Gio!
First year. Oh.
First year!
Ay, you're right, Daddy.
How many eggs there?
One more dito na ulit! One more dito.
Iyak yan. Iyak na. We have a winner!
Come on, get!
We have a winner!
The winner is Athena.
Wala, nasira.
Nasaan ka?
Kasi talaga paiyak
Laisha,
yung
Laisha.
bata.
Oh, sorry, the winner is Gio!
Ako.
Winner is
No, you get your egg now.
Let's go. Go.
You're the winner! Good job!
How many eggs?
You're crying because Athena's crying?
Oh, well done,
No, you have Athena na.
Daddy, kasi. Come on. Correct na
Well done!
Pinahirapan ni Dexter eh.
That's so even cute.
Activity time.
Let's sit down and chill.
Here.
Activities.
There.
Thanks.
Wow. Gab.
Oh,
Okay.
here.
Stop coloring first. Put back. We will do this first.
First to open it. 1. Oh. Okay. Who's the winner? Who's the winner?
Athena is the winner.
Iyak naman si Gio.
There's something inside.
Yung next na iiyak.
There's something inside. You have to put...
No one's counting.
Oh, you're going to put the heart.
Put
You
the heart.
put the heart inside.
Oh.
You put the heart.
Okay. There you go. This one.
May birth certificate pa siya, oh. And then you're gonna put
It's
the
inside the
name.
box.
Excuse me. I think you need
It's
to put the
inside the box.
cloth here.
Where are you gonna put the heart?
Oh, here.
How about you?
Talagyan mo na siya sa loob.
Hey.
What are you gonna do it? You follow.
Paano ba yan? Bibitin mo mga... Ay, ate!
Don't send the drone thing.
Kailangan niya ano muna.
Luluwagan niya siya.
Luluwagan.
Can you help me? To wear that one? We need to.
Wait a minute. This one first.
Sa ano?
Sa Aldi.
Aldi.
Aldi?
Ate na... Yeah. And then you're going to put the heart inside.
Kaya nga, how to
Ay.
listen?
Hindi nyo na mababalik yan.
Can we please wait a second?
Walang karayom.
Love you.
Hindi na siya hindi na kailangan i-sew.
I love you and like sometimes we win, sometimes
Ito.
Here, oh.
okay. And we
It's not the winning.
Okay, we open this
What is
one.
that? It's not the winning.
That's the
it's
spirit.
just making fun.
It's just
Yeah.
taking part.
Yes.
Okay, we have to put this.
Fun and then
Okay, put inside.
Wala pa, ano mo siya
Put the heart inside
Baby,
first.
ano na?
Put your heart inside
Paano,
first.
B, oh?
Where's your heart?
and do better and
Put the heart inside.
and be quick.
About you.
Luluwagan mo siya, B.
Ano yan, sapatos?
Yeah, but I win. Everybody wins.
Heart.
Tama sa loob yung heart, di ba?
Oo. Lalagay mo yung heart.
Saan mo ilalagay yung heart?
Ipapasok mo lang sa loob yung heart niya.
Ganyan lang?
Hindi, mamaya kapag meron na siyang
Put the candy there.
You should just
Yay!
Okay, who's win? Who's win?
Elisha.
Oh, bilis
Walang
eh.
iiyak ka?
Oh, Elisha starting na, oh. Elisha starting to put the ano na.
Elisha is winning. Sorry.
Guys, I want to win.
Sorry.
Oh, you put inside, put inside.
Small, small.
Atina, put inside, put inside.
Small only.
I see a papa.
I think Gab is winning.
You're gonna win.
Oh, gab-gab is spinning, oh. Oh, gab-gab is spinning.
Gab-gab, ano ka?
Oh, get more, get more na.
Get mo, get mo.
The heart is shared later. Where are you gonna put the heart? Is it inside?
Oo, pag nalalagay mo na yung mga ano niya.
Lahat to?
Daddy, a little bit.
Okay, go. More.
Small. Daddy, small
Slowly
only.
because it might rip.
Daddy, small only.
Yes.
Atina, yung mga small, hindi ka matatapos na. Next Easter ka na matatapos.
Dapat tatanggalin niya yung tali, di ba?
Daddy, we want to win.
Ay, that's competition ba guys?
Oo nga.
Competition pressure. Wait lang.
It's not the winning.
It's just making fun.
Yes, guys. It's just making part.
It's just making part of the fun, and everyone wins in the fun.
No, yeah.
Yes. Now and make a wish. Hug it. What's your wish?
Parang may chest tube eh, no?
I love my bunny.
Bunny. Okay, and then you put inside.
And then you can write on the name.
Yeah.
Okay, with your pens
the name.
later.
You will name
Your body have
body.
birth certificate, so you will give.
Okay,
ano?
let's ask
Where's the
first.
heart, Mike? Where's the heart?
Nandiyan na sa loob. Nilagay ko na dyan.
Tataki mo siya.
Your name.
Hahatakin mo siya.
My name?
What Bunny's name?
Paano yan?
What's gonna be your bunny's name?
Ganda naman.
I cannot spell it.
Later, Atina.
Huh? What's the name you want?
Elisha.
Mommy,
Elisha? That is your name.
what's the bunny's name?
Another name for bunny. Like
What is a
Rafi.
bunny?
What's your bunny's name?
Your Rose.
What's
Her name, Rose.
What's the name of your bunny?
Rosie.
Bye.
Rose. Rose.
Katie?
Rose APT. Bartolita. You go Bartolita.
Very good.
You go Bartolita. You go Bartolita.
Eh baka may name naman to.
Where's yours?
Hindi sila nga maglalagay ng name.
Where's yours then?
Where's the certificate?
That's hers. This is ours.
Rose. Rose Apiti ka pa nga.
Rose APT.
Rosa.
May apelido. Si Rose Apiti ka pa nga.
Pati may apelido.
Rose Apiti.
For long to write.
Eh?
What do you want then? Yeah.
Capital
What's name? What name?
Put on here on the carpet.
Capital F.
A.
Ano lang, hirap naman ang pangalan.
Sige yung pa isipin. Capital F.
Ikaw, Gab-Gab, what's the name of your egg?
Bartolito.
Bartolito.
Ang hirap na na.
Talaga yung Bartolito.
Bartolita. Bunny's Bartolita.
KD.
KD. Okay.
Oh, why? Why?
KD.
Why?
What is KD?
Ano ko? Why?
Okay na?
Baka pangalan ng
Umbrella?
pangalan ng classmate niyo. Ganun.
What's your
Why?
favorite
Right
name?
again. K.
And then
You put
little
Ipswich, please.
for puppy.
Why?
Tapos itatali lang siya.
Beauty. And then
Wo,
date of birth.
wo,
Today is
wo.
E for insect. E for insect.
20.
Ipswich. C. K. Well done. F.
Let's put in.
Ha for hat.
Here is Apiturel.
Hindi mo
S.
Can you write your name? The last one, please, Asma.
H.
Tina. Hold your
Made by
body.
your name, Georgina.
Tina.
I love you, baby. Rose Appetit.
Good job. Oh, you love this one, huh? That is the name of...
Fufu.
Fufu? Hello! Everyone say hello, Fufu.
Hello, Fufu.
How about Gio? What's the name of your bunny?
Beauty.
Beauty. Hi,
Beauty.
Say hi, Beauty.
Hi, Beauty.
How about Tina? What's the name?
Rose.
Rose Appetit.
Oh, Rose Appetit. Hi. How about you, Elijah? What's the name of your
What's your name of your bunny?
Katie.
Katie. Hi, Katie. Of course, I want a little. Gab.
What's the name of your egg?
Bartolito.
Bartolito.
Say hi, Bartolito. Hi, Bartolito.
Come on na.
Okay.
Stand up here, guys, and then we're gonna
Take a picture together with your bunny.
Tina, come here.
Oh, picture with
Sama natin
Katie.
si Gab-Gab para may
Picture with
kasama
Katie,
naman siya
okay?
may picture.
Rose Appetit.
Tina, smile! Smile! Smile, everyone! Ha, 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 ha! Bilis! Oh, I like
I can't see the photo.
And this is
Because of that, we got prize.
Wow.
Another prize.
Dami yung gastos, ah!
Sino kaya ang gamit dyan?
Put on your
I don't
bag.
know.
Ate Joy, yung baby namin.
Georgie, this is yours.
I'll
I will give you a Kinder Egg.
Go.
There's a Hot Wheels car inside.
Wow.
Oh, this one too.
Ano daw?
And
Oh, this one. You give it
What
to your
about me? I
friends.
also want that one. Wait.
Mom, that one is mine. Here,
I'll put it
thank
here.
you.
Magandang sayawin nila.
Apat na.
Apa na ulit?
Here you go.
Can we try to the kitchen
Oh,
before we do anything?
Put it on.
Give it to your friends. Give to it.
Here you go.
Can you get your basket? That's why you have
Nalagay mo nga ito sa basket mo. Oh, let's go there, Gab-Gab, because... Ano?
Thank you, Tina.
Give it to
Okay, kids, I think we need to tie these first before we do next activities. I think we need to let go of this.
Ililipot din yung sakit.
Up, down, up, down, up, down. Side, side, down, other side. Other side. Oh, front. Up, down, up, down, up, down.
Using your hand. This is math.
Huwag din ganyan.
6 plus 2.
6 plus 2. Come on.
6 plus 2.
I have to try.
Using
Come on.
your hands. No.
Okay, no. Wrong.
No. 6 plus
8. One step forward, Gio. Yeah, okay.
6 plus
Next.
2.
Oh, go.
Wala kayo.
Wala kayo ha, may iyak dyan.
X-ray. Ask the answer.
It's 8.
Okay, one step forward.
Esther, what's this?
What's the answer?
Oh, count. 1, 2,
Naiyak na.
4.
Oh. Count it.
Okay, one step forward at the X-ray.
How about you, Elisha, oh.
5, 6,
Ikaw nga dito, babe. Hindi ako marunong kumain.
Yay! Good job! Okay. Next.
Ano lang pala?
Elisha! No, not yet. Okay, go there.
Next
Next.
question. Ang hirap naman ng mga ito.
What?
Gusto magpatalo.
Is the opposite
Concentrate.
of outside.
inside.
Okay.
Very good.
One step.
Forward, one step.
Inside.
Good job! Galing, galing.
Here lang yan! Come on this way!
No, no.
Balik ka muna.
No, go there. Not yet. You're not yet the winner. You need to answer more questions. Can anyone say the, ano ba yun? 7 days of the week.
Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday.
Wow! How about you?
34, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
No.
Okay na yun!
Okay. Next.
How many days did you want first?
Her birthday.
July 29.
July 29. Who's there? Very how July 29. How about Gio? What's the forward?
Gio, what's your birthday?
June.
22.
Go forward.
Okay, how about you, Tina?
Atina.
October 9.
Elisha.
What's your birthday, Elisha?
Finish 5.
July 29.
July?
5.
July 29.
Okay. Are you ready? Wait. Esme, what's your full
Tayo
name?
bukas niyan.
Esme, Abra, Sophia,
Ang haba naman pala. Kaya abot na tayo bukas.
Kasha ba yun sa papel?
Maghante. Good job! Hey! There you go. How about you?
Georgina Shanid Papazo.
Wow! How about you? What's your full name?
Anita Gabriel Darulaga.
Wow! Wait, ano ba yun? Ikaw, what's your full name? Elisha? Say your full name.
I play.
Yeah, say your full name first. Elisha?
I'm playing with my toys.
Yeah, you need to say your full name before I give this one. Elisha?
Elisha.
Right?
Toyo.
Yay!